welcome to the second video in my anime inspired week of makeup. Today's look inspiration came from Devilman Crybaby. I have been obsessed with this anime and I've been listening to a combination of Ariwa Darida and In the End by Linkin Park. That song may as well be called the Ballad of Akira Fudo because I can hear nothing else now. So I hope you like this look. I have a lot more in store and I'm really enjoying doing these videos. This one was super fun to do. I really like this Goldilocks product. And initially I was just going to do Akira's sort of eyeliner and like some shadow, but then it got out of control. And sorry about this wig, this is like the only one I have that's like remotely close. And yeah, I know I kind of failed at blocking out my eyebrows, but this was my first time doing it, so be nice. So I will list all the products that I used down below in the description to this video. I really hope you're enjoying this little mini series and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. So that's all from me and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!